Let me show you everything I pack in my carry-on, which will be my only luggage for a 3-day trip to the Gold Coast. Hello and welcome back to my travel channel. Guess what? I'm traveling and I'm packing light. I am going to the Gold Coast for 3 nights and 4 days, and this is all I'm gonna pack. Of course, I'm flying carry-on only, and even though I will be flying business class, I still choose to travel light because it makes my life easier, and I don't have to wait for my luggage once I get off the plane. I don't have to spend a lot of time unpacking all my things or thinking about what am I gonna wear today, because I rather spend a little bit of extra time when I'm actually packing my things, so that I'm organized, so that I don't forget anything, and so that I have everything I need and nothing that I don't need. So in this video I will be sharing how I pack, what I pack, why I pack what I pack, which bag I'm using, and I will be sharing a lot of tips along the way. Quick introduction, if you're new to my channel, I am Vicky from Nonstop Travel VV, and I do have to apologize to you guys because it's been a while since my last video, because I've been very active on my other channel where I'm sharing my travel vlogs and my everyday life and moving from Bangkok to Sydney and like all that good stuff. You can find all this on Vicky Viola Vlogs. So I've been posting a lot on that channel lately, so if you're interested, please have a look. But now let's start packing. All right, and before I put all my clothes in this one compression packing cube from Bagsmart, I will show you what clothes I actually bring and also what my bag of choice is. Of course, I am using my Bagsmart Blast Backpack. This is the new one, and I do have a full video about it. I will link the video in the description if you want to see all the features of this backpack. It is pretty awesome. That's why I love it. That's why I'm using it, even though I have so many travel backpacks, but I keep coming back to this one. I do have a discount code. I think this video is not sponsored at all, but I will see if I still find my discount link. So if you want to buy it, you can get it for a discount with my code. All right, enough about that. And then I will also bring a little bum bag. This is really old, it's from ALO. I got that in New York, like I think 5 years ago or something. And I will just have this in addition because I quite like having my phone and my passport, even though in this case I don't need a passport because I'm only going to the Gold Coast. But all the little things that I want to have handy, it's just nice to have them sitting right here. All right, so those are the bags that I'm using. And what am I putting in the bag? Let's go through everything. So first tip, always check the weather forecast before you leave. So I checked the weather forecast for the Gold Coast. It's not going to be crazy hot. It's going to be around 22, 23 degrees, and it might even rain. So that is important because I will bring my rain jacket, which is right here. So let's start with this. This is my Vinyanda rain jacket. I love it. It is super light. It is perfect for summer. It has a hood. Again, not sponsored in this video, but I had a video previously where I was sponsored, so I still have a discount code for that as well. And it's a good discount code. I think if you buy 3 items, 15% or more. Just check the link in the description. I don't remember, but I will put it all there. So this is definitely coming with me. I will pack it because I think it's not going to be that cold on my way to the airport. So this will definitely be inside the bag. Then t-shirts, like this thing from Cuba. And also a plain white t-shirt. This has a really nice cut. I only got that recently. This actually looks quite nice. I will also iron it when I'm there so that it looks even more sophisticated. So this is probably my most sophisticated outfit. Look, I'm not planning on going out or doing anything fancy there. So that's also something to consider. What are you gonna do on your trip? If you wanna go to fancy 5-star restaurants and wanna do like date nights or something, yes, you would like to bring a dress or something fancy. I'm not doing any of that. I will run on the beach, I will swim, I will go to the gym. I will also do a little bit of work, hence the laptop. So yes, this is gonna come with me. This is probably the heaviest item, but yeah, it is what it is. I have to edit some videos. This is what I do. All right, and then there's also my Vinyanda long gym pants that I can definitely also wear when I'm like walking around the Gold Coast because they actually look really nice. I love them. I had them forever, and also you can get them with my discount codes. I actually have them in light blue and in black, but I think black just goes with everything. Can't go wrong. Then, yeah, undies. 3 pairs because I'm gonna be there for 3 days. I will also have a washing machine where I'm staying, so I can even wash them. That's also why I'm only bringing 1 pair of socks, because I am bringing my Birkenstocks and I will mostly wear them. And I'll be wearing one pair of socks with my Sambas that are not here because I'm gonna wear them on the plane. So this is only what I'm gonna pack. And then I have one more pair of socks because again, yes, I can wash. Then I've got pajamas, long pajamas, because yes, the nights might be cold, and also for like lounging around when I come home at night after a long day on the beach. This is my pajama top, but it's actually not a pajama top. It's a t-shirt that I could also wear out. It's always good if your pieces are multifunctional. By the way, I designed this and I made it, and it is available in my Etsy store, even though I think I might shut down my Etsy store because there have been problems, but that is a different story. Then always pack a tote bag, just a light little tote bag. It's good, especially if you want to go to the beach, because you can put your towel in there and your things. And also if you want to go shopping or something, it's always good to have. And this folds up nicely as well. Then, of course, my toiletry bag. And everything in there, of course, is small and tiny samples. Like I always collect samples when I'm at shopping centers, and they come in so handy when you travel. For a 3-day trip, this is really all I need. I have my tiny little foldable brush. And then lately I really love this little BB cream. It's probably not the healthiest for your skin, but this is what I'm wearing right now. It works perfectly, it's small. So that will be good enough. Oh, and I love this deodorant. It is small, it is natural, and it actually works. Isn't that wild? It is wild. But before you get too excited, I do not have a discount code. I cannot really link it because I got this in Vienna, in Austria, on my last trip. So unless you live in Austria, I don't know if you can get it anywhere, but it is awesome, sorry. I shouldn't have showed you. Then, like, I've got a lip gloss. Then I've got the tiniest little sunscreen from Kiehl's, because I'm probably not gonna lay in the sun on the beach a lot. I used to do that in my 20s. I don't really do that anymore. Plus, it's not gonna be that hot. But just in case, I have it. And then I've got this eyebrow pencil that I got in Bangkok. And it was the cheapest one, and I think it was from 7-Eleven, and I absolutely love this thing. This is also what I'm using right now. It's the most natural one. Best thing ever. Tiny blusher. Small concealer, and a travel toothbrush that I got from a plane at some stage, and it's good because it has the cover. And there's a tiny toothpaste in there as well, eye cream, everything you could possibly need. So that's the toiletries. What else do we have? Then I've got 2 gym tops. This one is also from Vinyanda. You can get that one as well. I love it, my favorite gym top. And then this one from Lululemon. I thought I'd bring 2 or splurge a little bit because yes, I am planning on being active and working out and like running and going to the gym, because the place I'm staying has a nice gym as well. Then I've got gym shorts that I could also wear walking around the Gold Coast. It's completely okay because again, I'm not planning to do anything too fancy. Oh yes, of course, my Binyanda water bottle. You've seen it a million times if you've been following me for a while. I absolutely love it. It keeps your water cold, or if you want to bring hot tea, it keeps it hot. It's a thermos, so it's really, really nice and it looks good. Of course, my headphones, my sunnies, they're really old. This hat I got in Bangkok for, I think, $15. It's not real, but I mean, I like it. So this is coming with me as well because it matches my bikini, which is from Cotton On. All right, let's get packing. So I actually just got back from a short trip to the Blue Mountains a few days ago, and I also used this backpack then. So I really love it. Okay, let's maybe get started with the bottom part. This is where you can put your shoes in, and this connects to the inside, but it doesn't touch it, so it keeps everything clean. But also, I mean, they are washable, so they are not really dirty. I could throw them in with the rest of it, but since we have a shoe compartment, we might as well put the shoes into the shoe compartment. All right, shoes are in. And now let's put all the clothes in here together, just to be organized mostly. They would definitely fit without the compression packing cube, but it's nice to have everything in one space. There you have it, all my clothes in one compression packing tube. All right, so that will go in here. And there's still plenty of space in there. Let me push it down actually. There is still so much space here. So this is where I would put my rain jacket. so that it's easy to grab in case that it does rain, by the way, when I arrive. We'll also put my hat in here. I might wear it on the flight, but it easily fits in here. My Binyanda water bottle will go here in this side pocket. Then I will put my tote bag in. Put this here. I could put this in here if I wanted to, but since I will be traveling with this, I will not put it in here. I do have a pouch for my sunnies. Here it is. And I will put my sunnies up here in this compartment. There's some pens in there. Actually, I don't need the whole package, but it's always good to have a pen, especially if you travel internationally, because you have to fill out that arriving customer cards. All right, so the sunnies are nicely protected here, because usually on a long haul flight, especially when I don't fly business and I put this under the seat in front of me, then this is still protected because it will lie down flat. You can put your feet here because there's nothing in here that you have to worry about too much, because that's just clothes. And here's the things that you don't want to squish on the side, which is perfect. And I will also put my headphones in here. Then I will also get tissues and disinfectant wipes, so that will also go in here. I will do that in the end. And then, here's the fun part with this bag. I don't really need a toiletry bag because this is like a plastic and it feels really nice as well. So I could just put a few toiletries in here, especially for guys. If you don't have that much stuff, if you don't have makeup, you can just put your toothbrush and maybe your moisturizer or whatever you guys use. Not as much as I do probably. You can just put that in here. Don't have to worry about a separate toiletry bag. But in my case, I will put my retainers in here. I did not prepare them because they're not so pretty to look at, but they will go in here later on. And my toiletry bag, I will just put here. All right, then I do have my charger for my laptop that I will probably put with the laptop in the back. I will show you where I put that. Then if you want to bring a book or something flat, you've got compartments here. And there's also a compartment here, so there's still so much space for like little things. But now let me put in my laptop, so that goes into the back here. Fits nicely. And the charger, so this is actually an iPad compartment. So this is actually an iPad compartment here in the front, but I'm not bringing my iPad, so I'm just gonna put my charger in here so that all the electronics are together. Then I close this back up. And I will also weigh it tomorrow morning at the airport, so you can see exactly how much it weighs, because yes, in Australia, when you fly with carry-on only, you have to stay under 7 kilos. And just like that, I am fully packed, I am good to go. Everything is in here, everything will be with me. I don't have to check it in, nothing is gonna get lost. I didn't have to pay any extra fees for my luggage. I mean, what else could you possibly ask for? I will quickly show you what I'm gonna wear on travel day. So my advice is always prepare your travel clothes that you wear on the day the night before, especially if you have an early flight. You don't want to then spend time thinking, okay, what am I gonna wear on the plane? So have everything ready. So I even have like my undies, they're really old, I'm not gonna show you, but they're super comfortable. So my comfy old undies, my socks. Then I have like a very, very comfortable black t-shirt, and that is my third t-shirt that I can wear on the trip, because yes, I do have a washing machine where I'm staying, but even if you don't have a washing machine, this is quick and easy to wash in the sink, like your undies and your socks as well. So that's the t-shirt then, because it will be quite early in the morning and it will be a little bit cold in the morning, and also on the plane it does get cold. So always bring one long sleeve sweater. This is just a plain black sweater. I think it's from Uniqlo. Yes, it's from Uniqlo. So you really can't go wrong. This is always good to have one long sleeve thing. And then just my jeans. Make sure if you wear jeans that they're not like restricting and not like super tight. So those are very baggy and very comfortable. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you usually pack. Do you have any tips, any advice? Please share it in the comments so that we can all discuss and learn from each other. Please do hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, because yes, there will be more packing light videos and more luggage review videos. It's all coming here on this channel. Also, if you found it entertaining or if you learned something, please give it a like, and I will see you in my next video. Happy travels!